Good morning, everyone. I'm trying to go in a little bit. Well, today we are playing along with Ginger's Corner, and we are doing scraps to embellishments. And our theme today is birthday, anything to do with birthday. I think it's called Birthday Wishes, and of course I don't have that with me. So anyway, I've taken, we're trying to use scraps, so I took scraps that coordinated together, and I've got this blue and green, and then a green, and then here I've got this pink and yellow balloons, and I had gotten this off Temu, so the smallest balloon is roughly, it's probably like 3/4 inch, and then this one here is roughly 4 inches. And so I'm not using the two biggest ones, even though these would all fit in the envelope, because that's what I checked. I just went and got my scraps and then decided what I like together, and then die cut the pieces that would actually fit. So that's why I got the sizes that I do. I'm using my favorite alpha die, and pretty sure I got this off Amazon. I love the size of it, and I have no measuring here. I've had a rough day, I have to say. I woke up this morning with food poisoning, so it's like, oh my gosh, I didn't even get up until 3:30. So, and then I had a bunch of stuff I had to do, so I just had to get it done, and so here I am now. So I think I'm gonna glue them together, and now here's what I would do on my page. I would probably have that up at the top and maybe even overlap the happy birthday over it, but I'm gonna leave the happy birthday just loose, and I'm gonna put the umbrellas, the balloons. You gotta see me trying to write earlier, it was horrible. Okay, and then I am going to, since this is just like the small, okay, you gotta just bear with me, the small swap where you just do 4, I'm just gonna put the string in with the embellishments, because we're not actually supposed to put them in there, because if they're too lumpy, then it gets very expensive for shipping. So I'm just gonna put in, since there's 2 balloons, 2 blue balloons, I'm gonna put 1 of the blue in there to go on the green, and then I'm gonna put 2 of the green to go on these 2 blue. So that's it. I'll be cutting those, and I don't know, maybe roughly 8 inches. I don't know, because I can't tell, I don't know what I did with my stuff. My sister had been here, and they were here, and it's like we all ate different food the other day, and obviously the food that I got was not good. I'll tell you, it was a very rough morning. And so they ended up leaving early because it was gonna rain. Otherwise, I know my sister would have been here babysitting me. Even though it's I'm like, I can't even talk to you. Okay, so I'll be putting in 3 pieces of the twine that coordinates. I'm gonna be putting in the letters, and they're gonna be loose. And I will put them in one of these little envelopes, and so you'll know that your kit all coordinates. So I am going to, I think I'll just tape them together. I know some people say, oh, I just never know what to do with them unless they're put together. So I think I will tape them together, and that way, if you really had to take them apart, maybe you could. Oh, and of course I put it on the wrong side. Okay, well, I guess it's gonna go this way. Not that it really matters. Okay. And then I'm gonna put this one over this. So when the string is laid down, I would definitely put this going over this balloon, because you know I like a lot of overlapping. So I would put this here, and then I'd have the other two pieces, you know, hanging where they go. And I won't glue down this actual, you know, the bottom part of the balloon where you blow it up, just because that way, if you actually want to tie it around there, I would probably just glue it on there. So I've kind of got these like facing each other, because you know how sometimes they tip a little. And I think maybe I'll even put that one kind of facing, so they're kind of facing each other like that. And I still have like not too much tape in that area. Okay, I'm gonna roll this up. Okay, I'm gonna leave that right there because it'll be fine when it's taped down. Okay, so I don't have a whole lot of tape on it. Okay, and then I will just put these together in there, and so that would be one set. Now, so far I've only cut out balloons for 3, and I need 4, and actually I do 6 because I do one for myself and one for my bestie. And so I'm gonna have the pink balloon. Since I did the other balloon one way, I'll do this one this way. And so far they'll, I'm planning on using white, but if for some reason I have something, because since I haven't cut them all out yet, if I got something that doesn't look particularly good with white letters, then I'll probably pull in something else. One thing, it's like when I get to your, you know, when you get to your scraps, it's like sometimes the piece is so small you can't get like, you know, every letter. But so that will be like that, and then you'll have the happy birthday. And this one I have this pastel pink. I want that. I've got 2 different pinks here. This one maybe looks a little too peachy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna use, I thought I had one already cut. Yeah, because I had some that were just loose in there. So I'm gonna use one pink to go with the yellow. And then I'll use the yellow to go with that. It's a little darker, but it's still in the same family. Just like the yellow or the pink is lighter, but it's still in the same family. Okay, so I want roughly 8 inches, I'm just guessing. I'd do this because they all unwind. Oh, and anything from this, it just totally unravels. So I will be tying these little ends. So if you get one of these and wonder why, that's why. And I kind of like the little end tie because it kind of gives a little tassel look. And the other one I have, I'm actually not going to use that because one of the dies I forgot to take one of those little connector nibs or whatever they call them, and forgot to take one off, and it totally put a hole in my balloon. And you know, I don't want it flying around at the post office, so I am going to redo that. So that's my embellishment for today. Now tomorrow I'm going to be doing the large swap embellishments, and I have to tell you, my sister helped me with those, and I probably wouldn't have got done if she wouldn't help me. Actually, I haven't even worked up the design of what I'm doing, but she helped me cut out all the pieces because there was tons of pieces, and it's a what's it called? It's a season. I don't know. It's something about change of seasons. That's what it is. And so it's a fall embellishment. So come here for that. That will probably take a little longer than this one because I think I'm gonna do maybe, I don't know, I might do them all different, or maybe I'll make like 3 or 4 different designs and go from there. And they are just super cute. I mean, the little pieces are super cute, so it'll be fun to play with. But I think these turned out lovely. These are some of my, I think I already did these embellishment colors and these ones. So for birthdays. So I think these are fun. I love those little denim. So thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful and blessed day. And I will see you tomorrow. Close-ups at the end. Bye-bye.